Now, the PMI, which stands for Purchasing Managers Index, is correlated to the GDP. Okay, so we can use the PMI data for a specific quarter to also give us an understanding of what to expect for the GDP. Now, what is the PMI? This is an indicator of the economic health of the manufacturing sector, and it is based on 5 components. We have new orders, we have inventory levels, we have production, we have suppliers' deliveries, and we have the employment environment. So there are 5 components of the PMI data, and the employment component is extremely important because this can be used to help to predict the non-farm payrolls data and to give you an understanding of what to expect for the unemployment rate. Okay, so the PMI data is extremely important. Now, ADP can be used to help us to get an understanding of what to expect for the non-farm payrolls. Now, the US ADP report is a report that measures the number of non-farm private sector employment. So it's a report that can be used to give you an understanding of what to expect for the non-farm payrolls, okay? The ADP only focus on non-farm and private sector employment. Now, with Forex, anticipation is key. In Forex, the anticipation of the news has a greater impact than the actual news. And for example, if we know the federal bank is planning on raising interest rates, this will have a greater impact on the market than the actual raising of the interest rates. And this is because the Forex market is speculative. The Forex market is largely driven by speculation. So the actual news outcome is not as important as the anticipation of the news. Okay? So the anticipation is key. If the market is anticipating a rate hike from the federal bank, we can expect a general increase in value for the US dollar. And that is because anticipation is key. Always try to identify what the market is anticipating. And one way to do this is to pay attention to the central banks. Okay, so always remember the Forex market is a futures market. So the market is always anticipating what is going to happen next. Anticipation is key.